Hey y'all, this is Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Make sure I got my camera angle right. We're working on our wall in the back, trying to give you guys more. And so let's see if I got that right. Okay. So today is Monday and it's Memorial Day. And now's the time to thank a veteran, thank somebody in the service that sacrificed their time and their energy and everything for our freedom. Memorial Day is something special to me. I have family and past family that, when I mean past, I mean my mother and father passed away. My father was in the military. My grandma was in the military. She passed away. My great grandfather was in the military. My brother was in the military. I had like military all over my family. So today is a day that I always recognize about what they've done and what they did to secure my freedom here in America, because I'm an American. And I'm so thankful that we have soldiers and people here in this country that are willing to fight for what we all believe in. So fight for what you believe in, never back down, and always stay true, stay honest, and stay true to who you are. We have some awesome services here at Computers Plus, especially our mail-in service. So if you are looking at this podcast and you have a device that you may have had some liquid damage, or maybe an HDMI port in your PlayStation needs to get repaired, and you are in a different state, check out our website, click that mail-in service, and get started on getting your device to us so we can get it back to you fixed, and you'll be happy. We'll all be happy. Another service that we have is our cloud service. You know, I get a lot of customers that come in and they talk about how they forgot to back up their information, and they're just in a world of trouble. Now is the time to take a look at some cloud services that we have to offer. If you go on our website, click on cloud service, you can get started as well and start backing up that important data. You know, there's so much data we hold in our phones and our laptops, desktops, that we don't really realize how important it is to us until we lose it. So don't be the one stuck finding a way on how to get your data back. Have it backed up on the cloud. We have a cloud service. Another service that we have is our recycle service. So if you are a business or just have a lot of electronics that you got to get out, you don't know what to do with them, you definitely don't want them to end up in the landfill, bring them to Computers Plus. We try to repurpose them, get them back into the community, or recycle them responsibly. That means we destroy those hard drives to give you a data of destruction certificate. So that's something that you can have to say, hey, my data was securely destroyed with Computers Plus, and we'll get that to you guys and make sure that you guys feel comfortable, feel safe, making sure that your data is destroyed. If you can't make it to us, pull out your hard drive. Your hard drive looks like this. I actually turned this into a clock because it's just waiting for it to fail. Get a hammer and beat on it, drill some holes in it, destroy that disk. That disk is where all your data is on. And if you have a solid state hard drive, you can just drill holes in that thing, and that thing's not coming back. You know, you have to be some superhero to try to bring this back to life. So if you want to destroy your data on your own, take a hammer, take a drill, and just start drilling through your hard drive. The rest of the components in your computer can be recycled. They can be dropped off at your computer company, at your electronic recycler, somewhere, so they can destroy those component parts and make sure that they aren't getting into our landfill. So that's something super big with recycling when it comes here to Computers Plus. Another great service that we offer is our online store. We just had some couple customers bought some items in California and New Mexico. So if you want to get a great product and you see this podcast, like, oh my gosh, I wish I lived in Acworth, Georgia, and Kennesaw, Georgia, and Georgia, so I can get those great products. Go on our website, check out our online store, and take a look at some awesome products that we sell, from everything from laptops, desktops, to even some retro computers. So if you're looking for those Windows 98, those weird computers that no one has, and you're playing that one game that you've had, come by Computers Plus, take a look at our online store and see what we can get for you. If you don't see something that you want, like you're like, okay, I wish they had this, send us an email. We more than likely probably got it on the back burner waiting for it to get onto our online website. So make sure you send us an email. And then we'll get right back to you. Our phone number is 770-693-0769. You can always give us a call at 6 days a week. Another great service we offer is our rent-to-own program. So if you need a product, a laptop, desktop, and you're just having some difficulty with those funds, take a look at our rent-to-own program on our website. We work with 6 different lenders. All you need is a job and a bank account for 3 months. A traditional bank, meaning a brick and mortar bank. Online banking is not acceptable right now, but we're working on getting that squared away for you guys. But in the meantime, take a look at some awesome lenders that we have. You know, I always like to tell people, they say, Terrence, which one should I apply with? I'm like, try 3. You know, see which one gives you the best value for the best amount that you're trying to spend. We work with Snap, Acima, Progressive, Cafe, great companies, Americans First. God, I can't think of another one. Progressive, Acima, America's First, Cafe, First Franklin, great companies. First Franklin actually goes up to 25,000. So if you are looking, if you're a business and you need to fill your workplace with some good, reliable computers, come by Computers Plus. We can definitely take care of that. And if you're looking for financing, we can take care of that for you as well. Another great service, another awesome, great service that we have is our remote network program. So if you are under our program right now, you get free remote network already. But if you don't, take a look at our website. We can get you signed up. So then if you're in another state and you still want that USA-based tech support, then complete that information on that website to start a new ticket, and we can give you a call and get you set up and into our community of soldiers. We call them like our armored soldiers, our armored cyber soldiers. There are people in our community that are under our program that actually look out for other people, friends and family, saying, hey, take a look at this, check this out, because we want this information to be shared with as many people as possible. It's the only way we're going to be able to keep each other safe. You don't get all this information on the news. You don't see on the headline. I mean, nobody talks about it, but everybody should talk about it, because why? COVID pandemic is gone, right? We released those restrictions. COVID's still around, but we released those restrictions. So therefore, people are getting online more. And what does that mean? The hackers, their antennas are up, and they're ready to look and see who is weak and who is strong. And the strong they don't mess with, but the weak they do. And make sure that if you're unaware of if you're weak or if you're strong, check out what's your latest IT department, IT person, your computer store, and stop by and ask them some questions and say, hey, what are some of the things that I can reduce my exposure rate? What are some of the things that I can do to make myself and my family safe? And if they can't give you that information, give us a call. Come by our website. We will be happy to share with you some information on how you can keep yourself safe and how you can keep your family safe. Now, let's not forget about Women Wednesday. 10% off on any woman that comes into Computers Plus for any service or any products to get their computer repaired or maybe purchase a new one. Also, free Diagnostic Fridays. Free Diagnostic Fridays. If you come in on Fridays, bring your computer, laptop, desktop, it doesn't matter, and you aren't sure what's wrong with it or even if it's worth fixing, bring it by on Friday. We'll give you a free diagnostic. Give us 3 to 5 days to get back with you and let you know, is it worth fixing or is it not worth fixing? I kind of like that. Like, worth fixing or not worth fixing, or virus is bad, Computers Plus good. It's like wax on, wax off. So those are fun things that we like to do here at Computers Plus, because sometimes things are just so rough for you guys, and we want to just bring a smile to your face and let you know that we're here to take care of you. We're going to make things right with you. So I'm Terrence, your computer concierge, sign off. Make sure you check out our other location at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia, and our Acworth location at 3330 Cobb Parkway Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. We'll see you guys soon. Have a great day and blessed day. And remember, if you find a vet, you see a vet, buy them an ice cream, buy them something to drink, tap them on the shoulder, say, hey, thank you for serving. Thank you for being who you are. And let's all keep each other safe. Have a great day. Bye.